So for the fastest startup of your Windows 11 PC, I recommend double checking this setting is turned on. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on fast startup here in Windows 11. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the first thing we need to do is load up the control panel. So head down to your search bar here at the bottom and go ahead and type in control panel. And it should come up under best match here. You can go ahead and left click on that. And it'll give you a bunch of options. So we're looking for the hardware and sound option here. So where it says hardware and sound, you can go ahead and click on that. And some more options will come up, and we're looking for power options. So select that. And under power options on the left-hand side, you can see a few different options here. Choose the one that says choose what the power buttons do right here. And that will load up where we can turn on fast startup. Now, if it's already on, that's great, but currently this is turned off on my system. It says turn on fast startup, and it's recommended by Microsoft. And it says this helps start up your PC faster after a shutdown. So now this is grayed out. I can actually turn it on here. If you're having that problem as well, there's an option here that says change settings that are currently unavailable. So if you left click on that, now I can go ahead and turn this on. So we'll turn that on. So now turn on fast startup is selected. And this is an important step. At the bottom here, it says save changes. So we'll go ahead and hit save changes, and it should have turned it on. We can go back in there and make sure it's on. So choose what the power buttons do. And now you can see that it's turned on and actually grayed out again. So now it's on and our system should start up a little bit faster. So I hope this quick tutorial of how to turn on the fast startup here in Windows 11 helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.